Mr. Rick Almanghay, our Division School Superintendent Maria Judelina Ramos, represented by our Division English Supervisor Mrs. Mirna G. Hala, Cogan Barangay officials, headed by Barangay Honorable Matrimilio Mandeg, SPTA President Mr. Rene Cabalog, teachers, parents, and members of the graduating class, a pleasant morning to one and all. As we stand here today, we mark not just the end of a chapter, but the beginning of a new journey. And as we look back at the years that have formed us into who we are today, we are reminded of the countless individuals who have contributed to our growth. To the teachers and mentors of Cogan National High School, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for nurturing us, for guiding us, and for pushing us to be our best selves. Your dedication, patience, and expertise have been the wind beneath our wings, and we are forever grateful for the lessons you've taught us. We remember the early morning exams and the countless hours spent on projects and assignments. We remember the laughter, the tears, and the moments of triumph. And through it all, you've been there, guiding us, supporting us, and pushing us to reach our full potential. Your impact on our lives has been profound, and we will carry the lessons you've taught us for the rest of our lives. To my fellow graduates, thank you for the laughter, the memories, and the camaraderie that have made our high school experience truly unforgettable. We've formed bonds that will last a lifetime. We've found friends, confidants, and partners in each other's cry. And we've created memories that will stay with us forever. From the inside jokes to the group projects, from the school events to the other activities, we've shared experiences that have formed us into the individuals we are today. And to the barangay officials and SPTA officials, we appreciate your tireless efforts to provide us with a safe and conducive learning environment. Your contributions to our school's growth and development have not gone unnoticed, and we are grateful for your partnership in shaping the minds of the future. Your dedication to our community has created a sense of belonging, a sense of pride, and a sense of purpose. You've shown us that we are not just students, but also citizens, leaders, and change makers. On behalf of the graduates, dako kaayo mo ang pagpasalamat sa amoang mga ginikanan o sa amoang mga guardians nga walay undang sa pagsuporta kanamo, sa pagigugma o sa pag-guide kamo ang hinungdan luyo sa amoang kalampusan. Miskan pa ang simple nga inyong pag-attend diri karon, dako kaayo mig pagpasalamat kay dili tanan nga mga bata na adjay mga parents sa ilahang side. Og ako ni itik nga opportunity nga pasalamatan ako ang mama, miskan wala siya diri karon. Masalamat kaayo sa imong mga sacrifices. Sa pila ka tuig nga naa ka sa abroad, ikaw ang nahimong mama ug papa namo. Despite sa kalisod, I always pray for to God nga tagaan kag strength ang dili nimo pasagdaan imuhang kaugalingon. Na-realize na ako na habang gadako mi, dili na pareha sa una ang imuha pong kusog. Bahala na, dili na mo ma-experience physically imuhang hug. O dili na mo ma-experience kung unsa minimo kapalangga. Bahala na walay mo hug, o mo comfort na mo, o bugat na kayo ang mga problema. Dili mi mo reklamo pa. Kay kabalo mi nga kung naglisod mi, mas naglisod ka. Bahala na, walay Wala na yung magluto mo, asikaso sa mo, abasa na yung mga event. Bahala na mo atong iskilahan, nga walay balon o walay pamahaw. I-crisis kayo ang panahon. Antuso na mo tanan mga kay kabalumi, mas nag-antos ka. Kay sa pila ka tuig, natong nawa nagkita, mingaw kayo minimo. Mga atong bunso nga si Coco nga 2 years old pa nga niglakaw ka karon mo graduate na pud siya unya udto. Wala pa man may igatabang sa iyong mga financial karon pero kini akong mga awards ug medals mga kay ako hindi dedicate sa imo ha kay kabalumi nga amo ang edukasyon na among balos sa imong tanang kahago. Kabalumi nga proud ka ika sa mua ug sa mga parents nga naa diri karon sa stage. Kabalumi nga proud ka ayo mo sa mga miskan nag usa amo ang makuan karon. Salamat kaayo ma, pa, auntie, uncle, lolo, lula, ate and kuya for being our everything. We love you more than words can express. As we move forward, we carry with us the values, the wisdom, and the lessons that Cogon National High School has instilled in us. We will strive to make our school, our community, and our nation proud. We will be the leaders, the innovators, and the game changers that the world needs. We will knowledge, skills, and values we have acquired to make a positive impact in our communities, to drive progress, and to bring about change. Once again, thank you to everyone who has played a part in our journey. We will always cherish the memories, the experiences, and the lessons we've shared here at Cogon National High School. Good morning.
Next is the